Okay guys, I'm setting up a drift track using these Jaibaile 143 scale drift cars. They're 4-wheel drive with a gyro. These things are pretty cool for the right track. This is the Porsche they've got. And here is the track. Basically, I have used PVC tubing from Home Depot. It's like $6 a spool. I think you get 15 feet, 20 feet. Got 3 or 4 of them. First I tried Velcro holding it down. The Velcro hose sticks to the floor well, but doesn't stick to the PVC tubing. So now I'm using basically box tape. This is basically just a prototype though, so I'm trying to figure out what to do permanently. So I'm basically using the hardwood floor. Seems to work perfect for my intents and purposes. Excuse me. My intents and purposes is actually to have a little bit of drifting with some speed runs here. So a little bit of controlled looping around using the tubing, and a little bit of out of control drifting. And there's a couple of paths here. You start here, you come around, you drift, you come back down, and you can ride this PVC tubing all the way out until drift out of here. And excuse the mess up here. This is the RC crawl courses I'm working on. You see my mountain in progress over there with plaster, but that's a whole nother video. Anyway, we're gonna give this a shot. So basically you're gonna, you've got the arrow designating excuse me, where you start. There we go. See how I ride that? Gotta move the office chair. So now I'm gonna take the outer track. Come flying in here. Still trying to get the hang of this. It does seem to be feasible though. You can't see this Porsche very well against this brown. I do have a couple of other drift cars coming from Jaibaile. There are some knockoff brands that look just like the Jaibaile box. I wouldn't recommend that. I tried that, dead on arrival. Make sure you get Jaibaile if you're using these. So how it rides that PVC all the way around. This can be adjusted as needed. I still get my drifting in. And then it's kind of like Hot Wheels. Come out. Ride it. There we go. There's the prototype.